if Dadalo was a superhero, what would his powers be?
Fixing everything with that tent. What?
Aya, if Dadalo was a superhero, his power would be?
He could teleport anywhere and he can Uber me anywhere.
Babe, if Dadalo was a superhero, what would his powers be?
Corkscrews.
Happy birthday!
Hi, Papa. Happy birthday. I hope you have an amazing day.
There you go. Happy 60th birthday, Tito Arno. God bless. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Tito Arnold and hi, Tita Gigi. Happy birthday. I love you.
More years to celebrate. Sige na.
Hello! Happy birthday, Arnel! Congratulations for reaching another milestone in your life. At 60, you are now called sexagenarian. They say life begins at 60, and 60 is the new 50. I hope you take all possible opportunities to enjoy life with your wife, Brenda, your kids, and grandkids. Thank you so much for all the help when I needed you and Brenda the most. I should have not overcome the property management challenges without your helping hands. I'm glad to have you both as friends and a family. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, classmate Arnel. Senior citizen kan lakay. Wishing you good health, more blessings, and more years na enjoy mo yung mga apo mo. Enjoy kayo dyan sa Canada. Have a blast. God bless always. Bye!
Happy birthday, Angel. I wish you a good health. That's our happy birthday, Anne. Love you.
Happy birthday, Arnel. Wish you good health and good wealth.
Happy birthday, Anel. Enjoy your day and wish you good health and long life.
Happy birthday to you. Hope to see you soon. Have the greatest day. Mwah!
Hi, paring Anel. Happy 60th birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Sayang hindi kami makapunta sa birthday mo. At malayo. Welcome to the club. And pakisabi kay Maring Brenda, we miss her lots.
Happy birthday, paring Arnel. God bless you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Yay.
Darling, happy birthday!
Hi, paring Arnel. I'm just wishing you a very happy birthday. Enjoy your special day with your family, friends, and relatives. God bless you. Bye.
Arnel, happy birthday sa'yo. Many more birthdays to come. Ayan, bati mo.
Happy birthday, Kuya Arnel.
Ingat kayo dyan. Tsaka, hope to see you soon. Mukhang ang Canada magiging US na, kaya sige, enjoy your birthday. Okay, bye-bye.
Happy birthday, pare!
Happy birthday, pare!
Happy birthday, Ninong Arnel.
May have more birthdays to come and more blessings. God bless
Brains, marami ka ng pansit na utang sa amin. Again, happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Kuya Arnel, happy 60th birthday! Wish you all the best with peace, love, joy, and good health. Happy 60th birthday, Kuya Arnel, from Cabal, Ferrer, Punagua, and Reyes family. Happy birthday!
Birthday, Kuya Arnel. God bless you.
Happy birthday sa Gabi Concepcion ng Tabaldo, Tito Arnel. More birthdays to come in good health. Yun yung wish ko sa inyo, Tito. Sana uwi na kayo. Medyo miss ko na kayong lahat eh. Okay, Tito, happy birthday.
Birthday, Tita Gigi and Tito Arnel. I hope both of you enjoy your special day, and God bless you all in Canada.
Happy birthday, Tito Arnel, all the way from Dubai. Wishing you good health, and I hope you enjoy your day. God bless you all and everyone there in Canada.
Hi, Kuya Arnel. I know your family surrounds you with love and care, which explains why you look more like a 16-year-old and not a 60 years old. Our current situation has led us to a realization that is to prioritize our own well-being, particularly our health. So that's my wish for you, to maintain optimal health, avoid harming your body, and find joy from everyday life. And also, we give utmost importance to ourselves and to our loved ones. So, have a wonderful 60th celebration of life, Kuya, and we love you.
Hello!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Arnel! Welcome to the club. 60 na tayo. Patanda na tayo ng patanda. Hindi na tayo babata.
I wish a good health and more birthday to come.
Happy birthday!
Hello, Canada! Kuya Arnel, happy birthday!
Senior ka na!
Oo nga, senior ka na. Pag uwi mo, libre ka na sa ano rito, sa sinihan. Tsaka sa parking.
Meron ng may kasama na si Kuya Rod na doon sa sine.
May batiim ni auntie mo, manang mo Gigi ni John. Hello. Hello Gigi, good morning anak ko. Allah, almost forgot it was your birthday the other day. Happy birthday anak ko. Wish you the happiest birthday and all the best for you and your family.
Hi, ito na. Kita mo na to.
Hello everyone. To my handsome kaanakan Arnel, I thank the Lord for the gift of new life as you treasure and celebrate today. Very special somehow on your 60th birthday. I really appreciate the way you did to raise your family, for all your sacrifices, and most of all, the love and care you gave them. You always live with humility, simplicity, and full responsibility. I always pray and wish good health and for long life. Kaya mag-ingat ka lagi anak, lalo na sa lahat ng bagay, no matter what, no matter when, no matter where you are. May the Lord bless you more and more and your family. I love you all and miss you. Hello, Mama.
Happy 60th birthday. Mwah, mwah.
Happy 60th birthday, Arnel. Have more birthdays to come and more candles to blow.
Happy birthday, Arnel. Naway gabayan ka ng Panginoon sa ika-6 na birthday mo. More blessing to come. God bless.
Happy birthday.
Hello again, everyone. To my ever supportive and beautiful niece Gigi, I always pray for your good health and long life together with your loving family, Alwin and Alicia. Happy birthday. I love you all. See you soon. Mabuhay. Mama, I love you.
Hello, good morning. Kumusta na kayong lahat dyan sa Canada? Hi, Gigi and Arnel, binabati ko kayo ng magandang, maligayang, masayang kaarawan ninyo. Welcome to the group, Arnel. At sana'y pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at marami pang darating na taon na inyong isa-celebrate. O sige, God bless you all and ingat kayo dyan. Mamaya mag-ano din si Asher kasi wala pa, susundin ko pa lang siya. Happy birthday, Arnel and Gigi. May God bless you and keep healthy always. Okay, bye-bye.
Arnel, happy birthday. Thank you. Nag-ano mo 2016 ang taon mo. May saka mo na senior citizen yan. Agpadatan. Andan kayo nga kanayon dita. Ingatan nyo mga sarili nyo. Napyatay lakta nga agnanayon. Hanyo baybay ang tibagbagiyo dita. Baybay ang dagita ubing dita. Da kayo ti kaduada dita para awir. Ulitik man na happy birthday.
Hello po. Kamusta po kayo lahat dyan? Mga kababayan natin nasa Canada. Dito pa rin tayo sa Qatar. Happy birthday, Kuya Arnel. Happy 60th birthday. And happy birthday to Ate Gigi also. Ingat-ingat po lagi. Sana'y magkita-kita tayo pagdating ng panahon. Thank you and goodbye.
Happy birthday mga kapatid, Ate Gigi and Manong Arnel. Happy 60th birthday. Congratulations on turning a big 60, Manong Arnel. You are now a senior citizen. And hope you have a great time celebrating another milestone. Happy 60th birthday. Make a wish. God bless you both and love you.
Hello. Kumusta kayo amin dita ngawan labas? Sa pelakmata nasalunod kayo kay nasiat kayo latta dita amin dita Canada. Happy birthday to both of you, Manong and Manang. Another senior citizen in the family. Happy 60th birthday, Manong. Wish you good health and more blessings to come. Happy 60th birthday, Manong.
Happy birthday, Ate G and Manong Arnel.
Wish you all the best, especially good health and happiness always. Happy birthday to both of you.
Happy birthday, Tita Gigi. And happy 60, Tito Arnel.
Happy
birthday, Manong Arnel and
Ate
Ate G.
G.
God bless to both of you. Bye.
Bye.
Birthday, Arnel! Happy 60th! From San
Love you.
Francisco! Love you!
It's your 60th birthday. Sorry we can't be there with you, but we are trying to celebrate with you here, even if you're far away.
Love you,
We
Ninang.
love you.
Love you.
We
Have
miss
a
you
blessed
guys.
year.
And also, Gigi, happy
Oh.
birthday to you too.
Happy
You
birthday,
know.
Ninang.
Happy birthday to G too.
Love you
Okay.
guys. Love you.
Love and miss you all.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey Tito Arna, happy 60th birthday. I just want to thank you for being such a kind and fun uncle and for always making everyone around you smile. I hope you have the best day ever and an amazing year ahead. Happy birthday. Love you.
Yeah, Nell, wishing you a happy 60th birthday and many more to come. Since you've come to Canada, I cannot say you're getting older because with every given year, your talent is increasing. From babysitting to cooking and now baking. I don't know what's next. Happy birthday and many more to come.
Happy birthday, Kabsat. Hoping, you enjoy your birthday. 60 is just a number. So, just enjoy, enjoy life. Enjoy with your apples and everything good for you. May God bless you more with good health and just stay happy. Okay? All right. Happy birthday, Kabsat. So, 60 years. Nako, senior na tayo. Anyway, may God continue to bless you with many more birthdays, good health, happiness, more travels for you, discovering yourself at this time na kaya mo palang mag-bake. Nako, ikaw na ang sumunod kay mami, So, just enjoy what you're doing. Enjoy life. And with your apo, mga apo mo, Aya and Nayo, and, that's all we can do. So, enjoy your birthday. Happy 60th birthday, Kabsat. Alright, God bless you more. Bye.
Happy birthday, Daddy Lo. You're the best grandpa ever. Love you. Mwah. Happy birthday, Daddy Lo. I hope you had the happiest birthday in the world. You still have a long way to go. May God bless you. And you're wondering why I'm holding dates? Because this is chocolate to you. Happy birthday! I love you, Daddy Lo.
Hi Daddy, happy birthday. Big 6-0. I'm so proud of you of how far you've come in life, Gone through a lot the last few years, and I'm glad how strong you are still now, being able to take care of all of us as a family. I wish you all the best. You've been a really great father to me, and ate, and great grandfather to Aya and Ayo, and I'm really happy that you are here to see all of us grow up. But yeah, let's start riding, or if we did already ride, hope you had fun. And yeah, happy birthday, Daddy. I love ya.
Morning, Daddy. It's the first morning of our trip. I hope you're enjoying it so far. Happy birthday, and I hope you enjoy our ATV trip later.
Yes, happy birthday. Thank you for always cooking pork skewers for me. They're always so delicious. And I hope you enjoy the ATV.
Love you.
Hi, Papa. Happy birthday. Hi, Papa. Happy birthday. Surprise ka ba? Hi, Pa. Happy birthday. Hi, Papa. Happy birthday. Na-surprise ka ba? O kami o na-surpresa mo dahil nalaman mo yung plano. Happy birthday. As I wish you all the best. I wish you good health and stay happy with me always. Love you. Happy birthday. Mwah, mwah.